Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. As-salatu was-salamu alayka ya Sayyidi ya Rasulullah. Today we are reciting Durud Mahi and its excellence. One day a villager came to Hazrat Muhammad, peace be upon him, in the mosque of Medina. He had a pot in his hand. When he came to Hazrat Muhammad, peace be upon him, which was covered with a piece of cloth, the Holy Prophet, peace be upon him, asked, "What is in the pot?" He replied to Prophet, peace be upon him, "O Prophet of Allah, peace be upon him, in this pot I have a fish which I was trying to cook for last 3 days, but it seems that this fish is not receiving the flames of fire or being cooked. So I have brought this to you, peace be upon him, as you may better know." The Prophet of Allah, Hazrat Muhammad, peace be upon him, asked the fish about this. And the fish started speaking and replied to the Prophet of Allah, peace be upon him, that once I was in the water and there was a man who was reciting a Durood Sharif, and I heard that from my ears. I myself did nothing. Prophet of Allah, peace be upon him, asked the fish, "What was that? Tell me." The fish recited that Durood Sharif, and the Prophet, peace be upon him, asked, "O Ali, write this Durood Sharif and teach it to people, as this will make the fire of Al-Haram on them. Whoever recites this, Insha'Allah." Let's listen this Durood, and that is Durood Mahi. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim.
اللهم صل على محمد وعلى آل محمد خير الخلائق وأفضل البشر وشفيع الأمم يوم الحشر والنشر. وصل على سيدنا محمد وعلى آل سيدنا محمد بعدد كل معلوم لك. وصل على محمد وعلى آل محمد بعدد كل معلوم لك. وصل على محمد وعلى آل محمد وبارك وسلم. وصل على جميع الأنبياء والمرسلين. وصل على كل الملائكة المقربين وعلى عباد الله الصالحين. وسلم تسليما كثيرا كثيرا برحمتك وبفضلك وبكرمك يا أكرم الأكرمين. برحمتك يا أرحم الراحمين. يا قديم يا دائم يا حي يا قيوم يا وتر يا أحد يا صمد يا من لم يلد ولم يولد ولم يكن له كفوا أحد. برحمتك يا أرحم الراحمين.